Submitting documents to Cash App for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the necessary features. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the Account Settings option in the app. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Verification. Look for the option related to account verification or document submission. This may be labeled as Verify Account or Submit Documents. Step 4. Upload required documents. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents. This may include a government-issued ID, proof of address, or other identification as requested by Cash App. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review them for accuracy and completeness. Then confirm your submission to ensure that Cash App receives your documents for approval. Once you have completed these steps, you will need to wait for Cash App to review your documents. If further information is needed, they will contact you through the app or via email.